Wednesday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some... What are we making? I totally forgot what we were making. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the Reggie Rose channel. I'm Rose, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Also, if you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with the little notification bell so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday and Wednesday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some stuffed shells. Not shells like the seashells, but like pasta shells. They're going to be so good, so flavorful. No one's ever going to know that they're vegan. I'm just saying. So, let's get veggie. So I was getting ready to start showing you guys how to do the filling of this thing, and I completely forgot that there was one step before that. So, first thing you're going to do, straight off the bat, is saute some onions. Here I have about a half a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and I'm going to be tossing in half a cup of purple or red onions. Any onions will do. Like I always say, this is not like doesn't have to be too specific or what kind of onions you use. And we're basically just letting these become nice and translucent. I always like to add a little salt and pepper at this stage. Have you guys noticed my tan yet? Are you guys digging my tan as much as I am? Probably not. But either way, give it a good old thumbs up for my tan, because the sun has been awesome to me. Is that weird? Is that weird? Yeah, okay. Moving on. So moving on to the inside of our shell mix, we're going to be adding half of a 14-ounce block, so 7 ounces of soft tofu. I'm also going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm using like the stone ground Dijon mustard because I ran out of like the smooth stuff, but any mustard pretty much is fine. You could even do yellow mustard if you wanted to. I'm also doing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm doing about 1.5 cups of frozen chopped spinach. And I'm also adding in our seasoning and our spices, and the link will be down below for the full recipe. I have nutritional yeast, some basil, ground black pepper, garlic, and some dried parsley. And of course, I almost forgot, the onions we just finished sauteing. This is a super easy recipe to make. And then we're just going to blend this up until everything is nice and smooth. So give it a quick taste. So good. If you're not a fan of tofu, don't worry. You can make this and you're not going to be able to tell that there's any tofu in there. Soy free, because I know some of you guys are, and someone is bound to ask. If you're soy free, you can either do like a cashew cream instead of the soft tofu, and that will work too. And here I have some shells, which I have, or pasta shells, which I have already boiled, and I left these like really al dente so that they don't fall apart on me, because they have fallen apart on me in the past. And all I'm going to do is take a nice healthy spoonful and then fill up each shell and then place it into my 8x8 casserole dish here, and I'm just going to place it in there. I've put a little bit of sauce, marinara sauce. This is just regular jarred marinara sauce at the bottom, because you don't want it to stick, and that sauce is going to help it keep it from sticking, just the same way you would do with lasagna. So next I'm going to add on right over top of these guys some extra marinara sauce. You can use homemade, but this is supposed to be like a nice, like delicious meal, but done quickly. You could also do some like cheese if you wanted to on top, or some nutritional yeast. And then I'm also going to cover this up with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to place this into a preheated oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to uncover it and then place it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. So our pasta shells are out of the oven, and I'm so excited because I've been smelling it the whole time it's been in the oven, and I'm like, oh yes. You know what I mean? You know that feeling? I'm already eyeing this one. I'm gonna plate this guy. You know what? I'm gonna plate a bunch of these. And yeah, you can sprinkle on some parsley, some basil. You can toss on some cheese. Whatever you want to do with these guys, you can. And even though it's not traditional at all, not like any of this is traditional, I like to sprinkle on some green onion because I'm obsessed with green onion, and whatever's inside of it was not enough onion for me. So that's what we're doing. So it's time for the taste test cam, and you guys already know that this is my favorite part. I mean, why wouldn't it be, right? You get to eat delicious food, and yeah, here we go. So good. You guys have to try this out. It's so yummy, tasty, savory, creamy, all the things that make food delicious. I don't know what else to say other than It's ballin'. So that's that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag #TeamVeggieRolls. If you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, I would love to see what you made, and I would absolutely love to know what you think about it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Love you.